Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of sea animal toys. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, toddlers? The first one is a whale. This is a queen parrotfish. This is a dolphin. This is a bee. This is a pinkfish. A shark. This is a frog. A walrus. This is a parrotfish. This is a snail. Purple fish. Pink fish. Bug. This is a duck. A snake. This is a sea lion. Penguin. Duck. Dolphin. Penguin.